Well, good morning students. Today we are going to start a very important chapter, that is sound. Every day you do hear sound of cars, buses, people, birds, right? Right now you are hearing my sound. Am I right? Now, what is sound? Sound is a form of energy that produces sensation of hearing in our ears. Right? Now, how is sound produced? Sound is produced by vibration. And what that vibration does? That vibration produces disturbance. Let's see, what do I mean? For example, this is a tuning fork. It produces a vibration, and here is a ear. Well, I am not that good in drawing, so just imagine that this is a ear. This is an ear. Now I say that this produces a vibration. Because of that vibration, there will be a disturbance. But disturbance, okay, it produces a disturbance. It should be confined to this area. How it reaches here? I will just give you an example for that. Imagine that 5 of you are standing and touching each other, standing in a queue or in a line. I push one from the back. The one at the front will also be affected, and it may happen that he may also fall. Why does that happen? How the disturbance which I created in the person who was at the back got transferred to the one who was at the front. The same thing happens here. This disturbance creates a disturbance. For example, air particles are present here, so it disturbs this air particle. This disturbs this disturb this disturb this disturb this disturb this, and keeps on disturbing unless and until that disturbance reaches your ear. And as soon as it reaches your ear, you can hear the sound. So one thing that is coming in my mind. Imagine that there was no air particle in between. Imagine that this fork and this ear both are in vacuum. What will happen then? No particles, no disturbance in between. How will it reach? It will not reach. That is why a very important statement is here, that sound needs a medium to travel. So let's meet on Zoom. We'll be discussing more on this.